Oh, I'm still gonna die.
Yeah, I'm not feeling good about this.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm using new items I haven't used before.
Oh.
God damn it, I forgot to put a toolbox.
With your fucking cheater brand new part?
My what?
You know what? That shit's cheating.
That's not a player. What the?
No, that's scary. You're the pig.
What?
I mean,
Pig?
I don't mean to call you a pig. You're not a pig, Zach. Don't be You did it.
No, I wasn't paying attention.
That, come on.
What?
Come on, man, just drop me down right now. We can talk about it.
What's that sound?
Hello?
This is in like an all-black suit.
Leather jacket.
Oh, this is Jigsaw with the head trap thing?
Maybe.
Come straight towards me. I'm gonna be free.
Oh, what happened, Daniel?
I'm pretty sure you were watching me.
What?
No! Trying to get this thing off!
Wait, don't tell me this is an empty,
No, not okay. Let me have this. Let me have this.
Someone's getting their wiggle on.
What is this broken hook thing that's... Evan, do you have some perk on that breaks hooks when you get on a hook?
I might.
Shit's annoying.
That's the point.
What happened over here?
You get away from me.
Are you literally just watching? Damn it! That's the second one! You literally have a button for like the grunting?
Sort of.
What happens if I don't take this thing off?
What? You'll be fine. Just do generators.
No, it stabs you. You get me? I'm just kidding.
Pretty sure it like rips your head in half or something.
You'll be fine. Do you have so much time to do things?
I would like to be off the hook.
She's gonna go into second hook if someone doesn't help her.
I can't see where anybody is.
I'm
I
right
can't.
here.
Right where?
You should be able to see where she is.
I can't see where anybody is. The only things
Open
that
your
are
eyes,
visible...
Daniel.
Well, she's gonna die.
I'm gonna die.
Alright, Evan, it's up to you.
God dang it.
The only thing I can see are these saw things.
Maury's only. Oh, thank you.
And you just gotta try and get that thing off your head.
First try, don't worry about it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? How come there's people that don't have traps on their head?
I don't know what you're talking about. I have a trap on mine. Ow, I just stabbed myself.
Ow, this is
Ow, I
crap
just
music.
again.
Stop it.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hello!
Are you joking me?
Hey, Zach, I don't really want to wear this helmet.
It's part of your uniform, you have to wear it.
There is a proof. I don't think it's
I don't think it's
proof.
cool.
I don't think it's proof. God dang it!
Yeah, aren't I supposed to be able to see where my teammates are at?
Depends on your perks, I
No.
think.
You shouldn't be able to, depending on your perks, but they should be able to see where you are.
Are you joking me? You die. I went through every trap.
You haven't gone to every single one yet.
That's true. But I'm gonna die.
Where'd you go, Evan?
I don't know what you're talking about. They have to be somewhere, I guess.
Where I go?
It's a little late to be questioning
To the
existence.
great beyond.
Hey,
That one was the one. I felt it. I felt it that time.
Oh, what happened?
My helmet kills me.
Really?
It's not funny. I went through 4 of them.
I think there's
If only,
5.
if only they didn't let you go to second hook immediately.
Yeah. What the heck, guys? We're a
I'm
team.
telling you, I can't see anybody.
You're just. This is active, Daniel. It's not
I
a
don't
good
know if
look
that's
on you.
actually possible, Daniel.
No, I
Yeah.
can't see anybody. The only things that pop up on my screen are the saw traps. Those are all like extremely white.
I get it. You just weren't trying to see us.
We just healed that. We were having a moment.
Oh, well, I'm sorry.
I couldn't.
Oh, first try. What a guy.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I'm out of helmet.
Nice. So stoked.
Lucky.
Yeah, I can't see where Evan is. Oh, now I can.
I was like, he wasn't hooked. Now he was hooked.
There he is.
I want immunity.
Community?
You want hook immunity?
Yeah.
My plan was for them to get you off that hook. I literally just ignored you for like 5 minutes.
It's true.
Yeah, I don't think my game's working right. It's supposed to glow yellow on the generators I put a trap on.
You didn't trap on it.
I put a trap on this one. I'm sure I put a trap on this one.
You did not put a trap on it.
It's like, how would you know?
Yeah,
Don't
I
kick the
saw you.
generator.
I don't need to hear you too.
You don't like the snarl?
The snarl? Hey. I was gonna say, I'm just about dead.
Well, I'm ready for the next round.
I think that's like the worst part in the game.
It's the stabby stab.
Stabbers.
Oh, what's over here?
Your mom. Sorry.
Did you say your mom?
Wait, what?
Nope. Nope. You have no proof. That was not in the recording. I'm probably supposed to have it.
You know, there are some people here who might be offended by that statement.
Maybe if I heard it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you heard nothing.
Wait, I have to find the hatch, right?
No, I closed the hatch.
Oh.
That's
you
why
gotta-
the bar is going down.
So he's gotta find a door then.
Yes.
Where are the doors?
They're on the walls.
Many doors, head boy.
Where's the door that you're not at?
Yeah.
Life has many doors.
I'm not at one of either of the doors, technically.
Technically.
Let me help.
Yeah, that's not helping at all. But come on.
Come on, Bag.
No!
Oh, you were so close!
Wait, hold on, Beck. Wait, give me like 5 seconds.
So close.
You were close.
That's the closest I got into escaping Wozak as the killer.
What's the Pied Piper?
I mean, to be fair, I let you guys do a bunch of gens.
Wish I got to do a bunch of gens.